Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel.
Hi guys, we are very happy to see you again.
Today, we are starting a special three-part series about how to learn English speaking easily.
Yes, many people want to speak English, but they feel nervous or afraid.
Exactly. They think English is very difficult.
But the truth is, English is not difficult. It only needs practice and the right mindset.
Before we start, Eman, tell me something. When you first started learning English, were you scared?
Yes, of course. I was very shy. I understood some English, but I was afraid of speaking.
Why were you afraid?
Because I thought people would laugh if I made mistakes.
That's a very common fear. Many students think the same.
Yes, but later I realized something important.
What did you realize?
Mistakes are part of learning. If we don't make mistakes, we can't improve.
Exactly. Even native speakers sometimes make mistakes.
So the first rule of learning English is don't be afraid of mistakes.
Yes, just start speaking, even if your sentences are simple or imperfect.
Confidence grows with practice.
Another problem is that many students think English means only grammar.
Yes, they study many grammar rules but still cannot speak.
Because speaking is a skill, it needs listening and practice.
Just like learning to ride a bicycle, you can't learn only by reading.
You have to practice.
Exactly.
So remember this, English is not a difficult subject. It is just a language for communication.
And anyone can learn it.
Yes, anyone. Stay tuned for part 2.
Welcome back to part 2 of our English learning series.
In part 1, we talked about fear and mindset.
And now we will talk about how to learn English naturally.
Noor, how did you start learning English?
At first, I only focused on translation. I tried to translate everything into my native language.
Same here, but later I realized something important.
What was it?
To speak English fluently, we must listen a lot.
Yes, listening is very powerful.
We can listen to podcasts, English stories, interviews, or conversations.
And watching movies or videos also helps a lot.
When we watch English content, we learn pronunciation, expressions, and real sentences.
Yes, we also learn emotions and body language.
Another good method is shadowing.
What is shadowing?
It means listening to a sentence and repeating it immediately.
Oh yes, that improves pronunciation.
Exactly.
I also learned many new words by watching English stories.
That's a great method.
Because when we see words used in real situations, we remember them better.
Yes, that's how children learn languages.
They listen, repeat, and slowly start speaking.
So we should learn English like a child, naturally.
Welcome to part 3 of our English learning series.
Today, we will talk about daily practice and fluency.
Eman, many people ask, how long does it take to speak English fluently?
It depends on practice.
Exactly.
If someone practices daily, they can improve a lot in a few months.
So let's share a simple daily routine.
Yes. First, listen to English for 10 minutes daily.
Second, repeat sentences to improve pronunciation.
Third, speak about your day for 5 or 10 minutes.
You can speak in front of a mirror.
Yes, mirror practice builds confidence.
Another great method is recording your voice.
Yes, when you listen to your recording, you notice your mistakes.
And slowly you improve.
Consistency is very important.
Yes, practice a little every day.
Even 15 minutes daily can make a big difference.
And remember, don't compare yourself with others.
Compare yourself with your past self.
If you are better than yesterday, that is progress.
So today we shared our complete guide to learning English speaking.
We talked about mindset, learning methods, and daily practice.
We hope this series helps you start your English journey.
If you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.
And tell us in the comments, what is your biggest challenge in English speaking?
Keep learning, keep practicing, and see you in the next video. Bye!